So just a regular.
Yeah, that's just the this is Neptune TIG.
Okay.
So it's a 40,000 pound. Neptune TIG is 40,000 pounds, 27% flexibility, and we'll be able to weld on this without any kind of prep. So that's one pass. A little bit of porosity, but not much. Let's brush that and you can see.
And what's the name of this rod?
Neptune TIG. Our aluminum line is called Neptune.
Maybe some of the garbage that just it up, but I think it's just on the surface.
Yeah, it's just surface, yeah. Yeah, so that's one pass with no cleaning.
Right.
And it's a 40,000 pound weld with 27% flexibility.
Okay.
So that's pretty awesome. All right, now the next one is called Neptune GCF. Okay, so this is the flux cord aluminum TIG. Now, a lot of people don't like it, but I love it because it cleans so well. I just think it's an incredible product.
Yeah, I've never used that one.
You haven't used the Neptune GCF? You can use it with the torch or with the... Yeah, so and the problem with a standard aluminum material is it makes so many multiple passes.
Right.
That you get so much heat into it.
And we've not preheated anything here, so that's also part of this.
Yeah, but the fact that you're able to do it in one pass and you get it in there without pinholes means you're putting less heat into the piece. There's a lot of people that don't like that Neptune GCF, but I love the fact that you're able to do that on such dirty aluminum and get a weld that's just clean and thin.
Yeah, the biggest thing for me is get used to the size of that rod.
Right. It is a bigger rod.
Probably maybe a little more electrode stick out. I think it'd work out great.
Yeah.